What's up, guys? So now, we're in the house of Ate Jelay and Kuya Ryan. And now, wala, nagbablog lang. And now, the TV is not working because the Wi-Fi is so mahina. Why is the Wi-Fi is so mahina? Ikaw, may tinga pa ako ng ipin. Ay, matanggal. Ayan, it's good na. Wala na yung Tommy. At now, the Wi-Fi is mahina kasi nga, na-connect kami kila Wowo. Tapos yun, sa YouTube. Sa YouTube kami. Napanoodin namin yung YouTube ni Clay Clay. Yay!
Sasend yun sa YouTube.
YouTube. And then, sabi ni Clay Clay, ipopost daw tong video sa YouTube.
KLAY.
Ah,